Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to increase the spending limit on your ads that you're paying for in your Instagram account or an Instagram account that you are currently managing, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the first thing that you want to do, you can only increase the spending limit on an Instagram account if you're an admin or they give you the appropriate permissions. But assuming you already have that, how do you do so? So in this case, you want to go to adsmanager.facebook.com and just log into the account that has access to that specific Instagram account. Now it's managed through Facebook, so it's all under Meta. So in this case, at the left side, you want to go ahead and just choose the option for billing and payments at the left side here. So let's go and click on it. Now, by the way, you may need to log into your account first before you can access this page. But in this case, on the next page here, you should be able to see your payment settings. But what's important here, again, is going to be the account spending limit. So if you scroll down a bit here, you should see your account spending limit. Again, you need to have the proper permissions, or you need to be the owner of that specific ad account in order for you to change the spending limit for it. So in this case, if you click on the three-dotted option here, you can go and click on change. And from here, you can go ahead and just basically update it in whatever way. So in this case, you can automatically change it to manually only when you change it, or you could go and just choose the amount that you want to use. Like, let's just say I want to increase this to 400, 500, depending on what you need in here. As an example, I'm going to just add 100 here. Let's go and click on save. And that should basically update our spending limit on this specific account. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.